Okay, it's the 7th of, no, sorry, it's the 8th of the 7th, 2006. We people, we need to die from our side, from our time self. We need to die from the illusion that we are a person with a personality, with feelings, with emotions, that has a certain desire or certain achievement that we need to do, because we need to die from that, because that is what keeps us in this time zone. You know, we'll never be free until we free ourselves from ourselves, our personality self, the one that's creating all of this drama that we find ourselves in. If we die from that self, we die from all of our problems. You see, the thing is, we identify ourselves to our problems, to our desires, to our wants, to our cravings, to our addictions. You see, once we identify to those things, we become slaves to those things. And it also applies to the good that happens to us. We should also not identify to the good, because that's why the good times, as we call it, never last, because it always swings to the other side of the pendulum, which is the sorrow. You see, sorrow or unhappiness always follow the good. It never lasts. You see, so we have to totally disassociate ourselves from the good and the bad. We can't be selective, guys. We can't be choosing what. The moment we choose, the moment we create opportunity again to feel disappointment. You see, the moment we are just becoming the witness, you see, we're just looking, we're just observing, but we're not participating. You see, it's like we're looking through a movie ourselves. We're looking ourselves through a movie where we look at ourselves without identifying to anything. We look at ourselves as we play around, as we go around life, but we're not participating in our own life. You see, we're enjoying the life while it's almost like enjoying a movie, you know, and you are basically watching your own movie playing out, and you are being the creator of your own movie. Yes, you can witness and see and react, because the power is in how we respond to circumstances, and that is the power that we have in this movie of our lives, you see. So we must come to disassociating ourselves to our environment, to our thoughts, because our thoughts is a liar. Okay, our thoughts deceives us, robs us, because our thoughts is related to fear. So everything that we relate with has to do with lack, has to do with we wanting to achieve. And there's nothing wrong in achieving, don't get me wrong. It will happen in its own time. But we shouldn't make it happen by our mind. We shouldn't make it or force it to happen. That's why if you force relationships, if you force any situation that's not supposed to be, you always pay the price. You always pay the burden of you trying to change something, and then it backfires because you cannot create. You see, in the scriptures, it even says, Jesus said, I of my own self can do nothing, but the Father in me, He does the works. You see, God does the work in you, not you do the work. You can do nothing. You can be the witness. You can be the participant of your own life, looking at your own life, witnessing your own life, and seeing how it plays out your movie. Okay? Then you become free from all attachments. You become free of all sorrow, because now you know that we're only here for a short moment in time in any case, so we might as well enjoy it in a way where we don't suffer. Have a blessed day, guys.